Hello. So today we're going to be taking apart this Breville smoking gun. It's not the Breville Pro, but the Breville BSM600 model. It stopped working on me, so I thought I'd try to take it apart, figure out what's wrong, maybe a loose wire or something, but didn't find any teardown videos on the internet. So I'm going to try to show how it's done today. So the tools that you'll need: a couple of tweezers, some kind of plastic pry tool, a couple of small screwdrivers, and something a little bit longer. So first thing you're going to want to do is take out the batteries if you haven't yet. So remove the battery compartment. There are 2 screws at the bottom of this. You'll see these 2 little notches here. So take your screwdriver, this one probably easier with the thinner one to get into these notches and take out those screws. So they should just come out, 2 little screws, Phillips. Now this part took me a little while to figure out which section gets popped off because of this, and it's actually this kind of dark gray piece right here. So it separates from the shinier bit here. So grab your plastic tool, try to squeeze it in the notches, and it should just kind of pop out. So just exactly like that. So a couple of wires in there, and these little rubber things just kind of fall out. All right, so as you can see in the bottom here, those are the 2 inserts where the screws came out from. Just behind those and a little bit down are the next 2 screws you got to take off. So this is where you'll need the longer screwdriver. So that's one of them. Also Phillips. And number 2. So now that you have those taken out, what separates now is this top part from this part here. So you can see it just kind of pop out like that. Now you have access to the motor. So this next part, we're going to be double checking this motor compartment. It's held in with this kind of plastic cover here, 2 screws here, and then a screw at the back. So how do you access the screw at the back, you gotta pop out this button right here. And how that's done is it's got a little spring tab here. You press it in and it should just pop out, and it looks like I found a loose wire. So gonna see if this is the reason why it's not working. But to pop this guy out, you just push on this thing, and I'm just gonna use a little screwdriver here. Just press on it, and it should pop out like that. Now this guy can just hang out. You can see the screw in the back right there. So we'll get our thin screwdriver again. Taking out these two, and these three screws are what hold this metal piece to this plastic piece. Once you have those three undone, the head just pops off. So you can see this single metal piece right here. And you can see the fan. So if it's a little dirty or gunky, now's a good time to clean it up. But pretty simple mechanism, it just spins. And you can access the motor and then test to see if it works. And to put it back together, just reverse that process. So thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful.